Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Payal Sehgal. Today in this video, I'm going to be teaching you all how you can make a perfect glow serum at home with beetroot, aloe vera gel and vitamin E. This amazing glow serum will help you with lots of things. It helps diminishing the age lines, it helps unclog pores, it makes the skin soft and shiny, it gives you an instant glow as it has beetroot, aloe vera gel and vitamin E. And I'll show you how you all can prepare this amazing serum at home.
You need beetroot, aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule. You can use Evian 600 mg capsule. First step is you cut the beetroot like this and take a half glass of water. Soak the beetroot in water for 2 to 3 hours. This is how the beetroot water will look like after 2 hours. I soaked it for 2 hours and it looks completely red. After this, you take an empty container and you start putting 3 teaspoons of beetroot from the glass into the empty container. Now, after this, you need aloe vera gel. So, I have used 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. You can use as per your choice, as per the container. If it's big, you can put more aloe vera gel into the container. So after this, you need to mix it really well. It looks beautiful. So mix it well and take the vitamin E capsule. You have to cut it very carefully and put the vitamin E solution into the gel. Like this, yes. I have used 2 of these. You can just use 1 if you want and mix it well. It looks like this and it's ready to refrigerate. It looks beautiful. Let me show you how you can use this glow serum. First, you take a slice of beetroot, rub it on your face for 5 to 7 minutes before you sleep. So rubbing beetroot on your face has lots of benefits as it's really good for good skin. It gives you instant glow. It's good for acne. It detox your skin. It helps with pigmentation. It is good for dark circles. It helps you get better skin in various ways. So rub it well on your face for 5 to 7 minutes as I told you. Your face will turn slightly red, but that's fine. So don't miss any corners of your face. Just rub it extremely well. After rubbing it, you need to wash your face with cold water and apply this glow serum on your face. Just massage your face really well.
This is how my beetroot aloe vera vitamin E serum looks like, and I apply it daily before I go to sleep, and it has really helped me give amazing skin. I hope this video helps and you all can rejuvenate your skin at home very easily by just following these steps and using this serum regularly before sleeping. And I'll see you next time with more skincare tips, more DIYs and more makeup tutorials. Till then, you all stay home and stay safe. Bye.